Hello everyone and welcome to European Piano Mastery Tutorials for Beginners. In this video we will be adding pedal to our fur release piece that we've learned in previous few videos of this series. So please check those videos. There are 3 videos about fur release I've done before, so study them. So I assume you know how to play fur release as well. And another video you have to learn before this one is to actually how to use your pedal, how to use legato pedal technique. So I've done a video about it, you can find it in the link somewhere under this video as well. So I assume you know those videos, so I won't go into details about, mechanics and timing of the pedal. I'll just be saying where to press the pedal and then lift press the pedal. So press means, of course, you press it down. Lift press means you lift press, and lift means you lift. So it's pretty simple. So the pedal makes the piece much more beautiful. It adds this more sonorities, opens up the harmonies and different mixes of the sound, so it makes the piece much more attractive. So I will be going through it. We will start from the beginning and I will be going through the piece slowly, and I will be saying where to press the pedal, lift press and lift. So we start from the start. And then we press it slightly after this next A. So you press it, then press the pedal down. And when you press it down, you hold it. Hold it down here, then on next note you lift on that B and D and press again immediately. So lift press on that, lift press, and then lift press there, then lift. Then slightly late after A you play A, then press after, a little bit later after you play A, then lift press, then lift press. And we want to repeat, you can do repeat at home, then lift here, then press after this next note. You press the E and C, then press the pedal after. So play this again, then play the note and pedal slightly after. So make sure you play the note, then pedal presses after. So look again. Here, press the note and pedal after, hold it down, then lift press on this note, then lift press on that C in right, and keep down, then lift press here. Keep holding, see how it mixes the harmonies very nicely, then lift on that. No pedal here. Keep no pedal, lift it here, then after A you press slightly later again, then lift press there, then lift, then after A again slightly after you press, then lift press, then lift press and hold it a bit until you feel you're ready to lift, and lift together. So also another little thing at the end, when you finish, you lift press here and hold it together. This will be our current engine of the piece, because we won't go into the more difficult section. This is for very beginners only. So what I wanted to say, when you finish in the piece, some people will lift hands, then they will lift pedal, so that's not very good thing to do. So you finish it, so you finish with pedal, then you hold on to it, listen to it a bit longer, and then when you think you're ready to lift, when you've had enough of that sound, when you feel you want to lift it, you lift together, hands and pedal. And see, when your piece is soft, you lift it more in a magical way, like soft, and you listen a bit more, and then you let it go into silence slowly. See, hands and pedal together. So never, some people lift, and then it sounds, and then pedal, so it's not very good. So you lift hands again, like that. You listen, enjoy harmony. It's like you want to make it linger a bit longer, and then you lift slowly, soft. See, and then you just go nicely into sounds, because in the softer pieces that's a better technique to use, so it creates that extra little magic moment, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so all in all together it will sound like that. See, the harmony opens up. See, it mixes very beautifully. Lift there. Then press. Lift, press. Lift, press. Lift. Then press after the E. Press after the D. Press after the C. And harmony and then slowly lift hands together with pedal. So this will be the pedal video for the release. So please, you can go through this video many times until you get your timing right, and when I said lift and press, you can first put the marks down in your music. Usually it's the similar one, but sometimes people lift it before at the end of the bar. I like to do this. It's called like a leg pedal, like a legato pedal technique. So when you press the next note of the next bar, of next harmony, you lift at the same time, then press pedal again. So it changes the harmony really nicely, and it sustains the harmonies throughout, mixes them beautifully, and makes the piece much more attractive and nice. You know, opens up new dimensions, new colors of the piano. So yes, this will be all for this video. This is like a quick pedal addition to our release to make it more beautiful, more fun. So first do it very slowly, and just like first of all, of course, go through that video with pedal, study it well until you know your timings, until you know how to lift it, how to press it and press it, how to lift it on time, so all those details. And now, then after that video, you will be ready to study this one. So again, this will be all today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with many more videos. Bye bye for now.